Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's vlog I need to go there up for the darshan. I don't know if you can see, but we need to climb up. So we have booked our helicopter and we need to go. We need to reach helipad in almost 1 hour. So I have just got done with my shower. I just need to do some makeup. And I don't know what this, it's been there since yesterday. I think I have bite myself, so I just need to cover it with lipstick. I will also wear some lenses, I don't know, let's see. I will just get ready and come back to you guys. Before I get ready, I just did a full face makeup for my mom and this is the final look. Can you please close your eyes? So it's now time for me to get ready. We are all ready and it's right now 11 degrees down here. We don't know how cold it's going to be there up. So we have like cotton balls in our ears, we have to wear hand gloves. And I'm like, I can be okay with this denim jacket, but we don't know. I have some extra things in my bag, so let's go. Exciting. So guys, we still have 30 minutes to go, so we are going to have breakfast and it's currently 12 o'clock. We have our schedule on 2 or maybe 1:30. It was just yum. So we have our hotel right here and opposite to there's one gully in which there's one restaurant which serves amazing fresh and garma garam food. And we had some parathas, like different kind of parathas like mooli, paneer aloo. Paneer one was my fave. I had 2 and then it was shallow fry. It was just yum. We have reached the helipad and currently we are going to the gate number which they have allotted us, and I'm really Yay! We got our boarding passes and now we will go upstairs through a taxi and then we will ride our helicopter. It's a very bad news. As you can see, it's a lot cloudy up there, so helicopter can't fly. We like waited for around 2 hours to see that, but no, so we are going by walk or by horse. Sad part, I wished to go in a helicopter, but no. So guys, we have reached here. It's known as Bal Ganga and we will do our darshan over here. And I don't know if I can vlog much because most of the places are like it's prohibited to shoot there, like no photography allowed, and it is so beautiful, like I can't get my eyes over it. So from here we have like a choice. We can either go from horse or we can appoint a person who can carry us on their back. So guys, me and my sister, we are going by walk and it will take around 2 hours of walk, and my dad and my mom are coming through horses, as you can see, because they both have some problem in their legs. So let's see if we can make and walk for 2 hours, and it's really cold. So guys, it's not been yet 30 minutes and I'm already out of my breath, and I'm going to have some Jaljeera soda. It's very difficult. So anyhow, we have came up till here and it's been 1 hour. We need to go a long way. That were my mom, dad. So we have completed 3 kilometers and we are at this very beautiful Charan Darshan, it's known as, and it is made so beautiful. We need to walk 11 kilometers, but there's a battery car from like 6 or 5 kilometers. So let's see what we are going to do now. How it feels.
Bliss, bliss, bliss.
We just rested here for some like 5 to 10 minutes, had some water, and then we are now continue walking for like around 3 more kilometers. So it would be like 6 kilometers. Let's go. Bye, mummy. So guys, as and when we are coming up, the fog is increasing, and let me show you the route.
Jai Mata Di, जोर से बोलो जय माता दी.
Can you see this glow of
We're very
sweat?
tired currently. Very tired.
Out of breath already, and we worn a jacket, sleeve,
That we have in
handcuffs.
our hands as of now.
Everything is like came off, and still we are sweating, and it's almost 10 degrees over here. Can you see the view? It is so beautiful. Now we need to climb 500 stairs. It's very, very, very difficult. Me and my sister are lost. Like I can't walk one more step, and I don't know. Yeah, she's right there in the green. Good. So guys, it's currently 5:45 and we have been walking since 3:30 and my legs are gone. Like the pain you get after leg workout, it feels like that, and we need to walk 1 more hour to reach our mom dad. Our mom dad have already reached there. So till that time I'm going to have this and this.
So guys, this is Ritika Ahuja. She has completely exhausted. Come on Ritika, you can do it.
This much. So it's going to make everyone exhausted. Guys, it's currently out 6:30 and we have came this much. I can't believe we have climbed so much. If you remember, I've given you the shots that these houses were looking so small, I mean so big, and they are hardly visible now. Guys, we are almost here and there are so many monkeys which are grabbing everything, and it is also raining. So cold, it is so cold right over here, and the very cold drops of water, they are just hitting us, but it is amazing. As you can see, it's raining and it's really foggy. That's why helicopters were cancelled. And it is freaking cold over here. So guys, we have met our parents here. They came through horse and we came walking, and it is so amazing over here. It's freaking cold, like my hands have like freezed, and there are so many monkeys roaming right touch to us, and it's so scary. So guys, currently we have taken a halt at CCT because we have reached Ardhakumari, and for darshan we will require, like, it's currently 7 o'clock and our number is at 11 in the night. So till that time we are just going to have some rest, eat something and fill our sets. So guys, I thought this is the main temple, the Vaishno Devi, but the helicopter was supposed to drop us even more 6 kilometers up. So we thought instead of wasting the time, we will take a battery car and we will go 6 kilometers up together and then do the darshan in that temple, and till that time our number would come over here. So we will be back till 11 or 12 here. Oh my god, it's monkey. Luckily we are in the last batch of the battery car, otherwise we need to wait for like more 2 hours. Finally reached till the Bhavan. It was like a 30 to 35 minutes ride in a battery car, battery auto rickshaw, whatever people want to say. It's very cold and like more 6 kilometers above where we were like at 6 o'clock. We have reached the main Bhavan. The whole lighting stuff is the Bhavan, and we are not allowed to take the phone and any those stuff up, bag, nothing. So we are going to deposit over here, and I won't be able to vlog further. So I will catch you guys soon once I'm get with the darshan. I'm so excited. Like we have traveled we have climbed 12 kilometers, 6 where we came by walk and 6 we hired a battery car. So thanks to it. And it's like 8 degrees over here. I can't even talk, but somehow I'm trying to. So guys, about this, like right now we are at 12 kilometers above Katra, the place, and about this like 3 more kilometers and there is one more place known as Bhairanath, and we are confused whether to go there or not because it's like almost 12 o'clock right now. So, and right now it's 9 degrees over here and we are not able to even walk. Our legs are being like freezed and we are like really confused because we don't know how the road is. Is it proper, safe? So let's see. But now we just need to have a horse. They will take us if we want to go to Bhairanath or we want to go down again. So let's see. Guys, we came 3 more kilometers up and we just did a Bhairanath darshan. The temple is right behind me and it is amazing. Like it's currently can you see? We can't even see from where we have came, and please ignore all this because it's so cold and these are all the tikas that are like okay, so it's like 1:30 and we are on the horses in the mountains. It is amazing. It is such a peaceful place I never imagined. Back to our horses and now again down to Ardhakumari or direct hotel, we don't know.